Hey, hi there. My name is Dan, and this is my whiteboard. Today I want to teach you something about telling stories, how to tell stories with the story spine. The first thing you have to do is say, once upon a time. And you add something like, there was a white squirrel who was very shy and he lived in a little tiny forest. Then you go on to say, and every day he would eat peanuts. He loved peanuts. He ate and ate and ate peanuts. Until one day, our little white squirrel grew into a big brown squirrel with a big bushy tail. We'll call him Barry. And because of that, people began to write songs about our brown squirrel and his bushy tail. And because of that, yep, you're right, people began to move their bodies just like a brown squirrel. And because of that, camps all over the world began to start their day by singing a song about a brown squirrel. It went like this. Brown squirrel, shake your bushy tail. Brown squirrel, shake your bushy tail. Hold a peanut in your toes, shove it up your big fat nose. Brown squirrel, shake your bushy tail. Until finally, people all over the world started looking just like brown squirrels. Well, Barry had enough of that. And since that day, Barry only gave permission for one group and one group only to sing that song. And that group was only MTO. Now you may think, is there a moral to this story? Oh yes. The moral of the story is this. You may think you're only a little insignificant squirrel, but when you are willing to be a little nuts every day, people will want to be just like you. Well, my name is Dan, and this is my whiteboard.